and a very warm welcome. Thank you for tuning into CNN News 18. I'm Shen Elizabeth Matthew. Let's begin this bulletin with the top news that is coming in at this hour from Jammu and Kashmir. Now, after the brutal killing of 3 youth by terrorists in Bani area of district Kathua, Union Minister Jitendra Singh has expressed concern. Now, Union Home Secretary himself is reaching Jammu so that the situation can be accessed on the spot. All right, so there, remember, just a day back, there was in fact attack on 3 youths of one family. They were in fact going to a wedding in Bani in Kathua district when they were in fact going through the infested terrorist area when they were attacked, and now all these 3 youth have in fact been killed in this incident, after which the situation is of course tense there. I'm now joined by CNN News 18's Tejinder Singh Sodhi on this broadcast. Tejinder, what is really the situation out there? And Union Home Secretary himself is going to visit the spot. So what is really the situation right now on ground?
See, the situation continues to be tense. The people in Kathua district, they are holding protest. They are saying that these 3 were killed in cold-blooded murder by the terrorists. Now, Dr. Jitendra Singh, the Union MOS, has also confirmed. He says that the brutal killing of 3 youth by terrorists in the Bani area of district Kathua is extremely sad. So he has confirmed that all 3 have been killed by the terrorists, though the local police maintains a silence on the terror angle. They haven't yet said anything that these 3 were killed by the terrorists. But yes, the Union MOS has confirmed that these 3 who were missing for more than 60 hours, they had gone to attend a marriage party, but they went missing. After that, a massive manhunt was launched by the police, army, and other security agencies to hunt down, to find these 3 missing people. But now, yesterday, their bodies were recovered, and the police says that they are still investigating the case. But the people across Jammu region, especially in Kathua, they have been protesting against this killing. Now, Mehbooba Mufti has also issued a statement wherein Mehbooba says that the situation in Kathua is deeply alarming. In a short span of time, nearly a dozen people from both the Muslim and Hindu communities have lost their lives. So clearly, the politicians from across the party lines are condemning this heinous act by the terrorists. The massive manhunt right now is underway in the forest area of Bani, Bilawar, Basoli, wherein police and other security agencies are trying to hunt down the terrorists who are responsible for the killing. If you remember, just a couple of days ago, 2 civilians were also found dead in suspicious circumstances in the same area. They were strangulated to death. So it clearly shows that there is a pattern by those terrorists who are hiding in the upper reaches.
Yes.
They are killing innocent civilians. And the security agencies, they are right now, if you can say
so
that
Tejinder
they are
is in fact
about
getting us all those information as far as the situation in Kathua is concerned. It is in fact tense after the killing of 3 individuals by terrorists.